everyone, welcome to Quiltster Tutorials. In this video, we're going to take a look at our Black Friday sales for 2024. So if you head on over to quiltster.com and then visit our blog, that is where you're going to find all of the coupon codes in the latest blog post. And as you can see, we have several quilt shops participating in the marketplace sale. So if you're not familiar, the marketplace on quiltster.com is a place where you can shop for quilt kits, patterns, and fabric. And everything you see for sale in the marketplace is sold by one of our quilt shop partners. Quiltster doesn't have a warehouse, we don't hold any inventory, but we do partner with trusted businesses around the United States who are usually small to family-sized companies or family-run companies. And we like to support the quilting industry. We have worked with these people for many years, and they offer beautiful kits for you guys to peruse and purchase and to make your next project. So under quilt shops, you'll see all of the different participating quilt shops. These are people who sell in the marketplace. Now, not every single shop is offering a sale, but we do have several that are. If you look at each listing, you can see who the item is sold by. So as you can see, we have a lot of Quiltworks stuff here, Granny Sassy Designs. So you always know who is selling the item. We tell you that right up front. Go to the blog, open the Black Friday sale blog post, and there you can see all of the shops who are participating in the Black Friday sale. You can see the sale dates when their sale is active, the discount they are offering, and then down below is where you will find all of the coupon codes that you need to apply to your shopping cart before checking out between the dates of the sale for that shop. So let's take a look at each sale, and I'm going to start. I'm just going to go left to right. These are in no particular order. There are a few sales that are not yet active, but probably will be by the time you see this maybe. So check back and make sure that you don't miss any of these sales. So the first shop is called Stitches and Crumbs. And the nice thing about our blog is I can just click on the logos anywhere and it will take me to all of their items that are listed in our marketplace. So we're back in our marketplace. The quilt shop I'm looking at is Stitches and Crumbs. So all of these kits are Stitches and Crumbs kits. Now their sale says 15% off kits, plus they're going to give you a free gift and free shipping during these dates. So you can go ahead and shop. This is all of their kits that are listed for sale right now. Add them to your cart, and you can pick whether you want just the fabric of the kit because maybe you already have the pattern, or if you need the pattern, you can get the fabric plus the pattern so that you can make the entire project. Add that to your cart. And then if you go to your cart, you will see the item. And this is where you enter the coupon code. So back on our blog, it says grateful. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and apply it to my cart. And when a coupon code is applied correctly, it will show you right here that it has applied, and you can see the discount as well. So let's go back to the sale. The Always Quilting is the next quilt shop that's having a sale. They are offering 40% off during these dates. So I'm going to go ahead and click on them, and this will open up all of the shops, all of the kits that are for sale by Always Quilting. And by the way, you can also go down here and click on these logos, click on this button. They all take you to the same place just to make it really easy for you guys to shop and find what you need. So let's look at what Always Quilting has for sale. And here are all of these kits. So you can pick one, pick what you need. Let's say we only need the fabric for this one. Let's add that to my cart. And now I have 2 quilt kits in my cart for 2 separate shops. So this one is from Always Quilting. So I need to enter the Always Quilting coupon code which is abundance. And I'm going to apply that, all caps, all one word. And there it is. So this is taken off the full discount for everything in my cart. This is 15% off. This one is 40% off, and so on. So you just keep doing that. You can add multiple coupons to your cart, but only one coupon code per shop, which is fine because we only have one coupon code per shop. Then if I come back here to Granny Sassy Designs, we can click on Granny Sassy and let's just see what they have for sale for, let's see, their sale starts November 29th, and that is for 25% off kits sold by Granny Sassy Designs. So this one, as of today, which is November 26th, has not started yet, so the coupon will not be applicable until this date, and the coupon code is right down here. Okay, and then so let's see what they have. Granny Sassy Designs has lots of kits for sale, big ones, little ones, techniques of the month, standard patterns, Christmas ones, lots of cool things to look at. And it looks like there's a lot of patterns, excuse me, a lot of kits still available in our shop. So take a look and see if something sparks your interest. There's a lot, she does a lot of these really cool summer solstice swirl patterns, which is basically just, the pattern itself is not a swirl design for the summer solstice, but it's just the way that she lays out the fabric that gives you that swirl effect, which is really, really cool. So that's what Granny Sassy has. And then Quiltworks is holding a sale, and it's one day only. They're doing the Cyber Monday. And what they've chosen to do is there is no coupon code for Quiltworks kits because they are choosing to put select kits on sale within the shop. So they'll either be 25% off or 40% off. So if you go to Quiltworks, let's look at their listings. So these are kits sold by the Quiltworks shop, not all Quiltworks kits. There's a difference there. So if you just go to the shop, you're good to go. And all of these kits, let's see, they're not on sale yet, but when the sale begins, specific listings will show a discounted price right on the listing itself. You might have to click into it to see the variation prices. But then you find a kit that you like, and then you can add it to your cart, and then automatically the discount is applied because that's the price. The price will be the price on that day. So no coupon codes needed for this particular shop for their sale. So make sure to check back and see which kits are on sale. Again, 25 or 40% off, really big discounts for Cyber Monday. The next sale is from Society, and they are offering, I didn't even look, 30% off kits between these dates. This is a currently active sale, which means their coupon code works as of today, the 26th, and that is, the coupon code is kindness. So let's look and see what they've got for sale. Society, they've got some really cool, not just Quiltster generated kits, but they've got a lot of other stuff too. This Kimberbell Pumpkins and Potions I think is really, really cute. Wow, that's cool. Maybe I'll snag that. And let's see what else they've got. Some more Kimberbell, which is really great to see. This woven ribbon star small project has been popular. It's a new one from Quiltworks. And they just have a lot of really interesting, beautiful, beautiful patterns here. Or kits, excuse me. So anyways, this is what Society has available. Take a look, and again, you can add that to your cart. And since this is a currently active sale, I'll show you how to apply another coupon really quickly. Let's get kindness, and let's go to the cart. And there it is, and let's add kindness to our cart. and we have the tag confirming that the coupon has been activated for the items that apply, which in this case is just this one kit. And there's my total discount right there. And if you see the shipping and taxes will be calculated at checkout, that is because I am not logged in. You do not need to have an account or a subscription to shop in the marketplace. But if you make an account during the next step on the checkout, then you will be able to access your order history when you log into Quiltster. That is not the same thing as having a subscription. The subscription is a monthly or annually paid for program that allows you to customize your own patterns inside of our quilt planner. You do not need to have that in order to shop though. So I do recommend making an account during the checkout process so that you do have access to your order history, and then you can access that at any time. So let's go ahead and take a look at the last shop, which is Stitch and Snip. They are offering 20% off kits, and this is their coupon code, and that is not active yet, so we can't test that today. But on the 29th, you will be able to enter that into the cart and get your discounts. So let's see what they have available. Stitch and Snip has all of these kits currently available. And remember, when you click into a kit, let's click into this one, you do have options. So either the fabric only kit, which this kit includes fabric for the quilt top plus binding, backing is not included. Or if you don't have the pattern and you need one, you can get the kit with pattern, and there's a different price there. This kit includes fabric for the quilt top plus binding, backing not included. This kit also includes a paper pattern. So you get shipped basically the pattern and the fabric, which is everything you need. So if you add that to your cart. Now again, this sale as of this recording has not begun, so I can't yet add the coupon for that. But when it starts on the 29th, you just add this coupon code to your cart, just like you have the others, and the discount will apply at that time. So you can buy these now and then come back later and get the kits that you want for the sales that haven't yet started, which is what I would recommend, because a lot of this inventory is, there's 1 to 3 kits available, and when they're gone, they're usually gone. So that is our Black Friday sale for the Quiltster Marketplace. Check back. Remember, this page is on our blog. You can come to our blog at any time and go to the Black Friday sale post to find all of the active sales, all of the links, all of the discounts, all of the dates, everything you need, including the coupon codes, so that you can shop as you need to. I will be back with some more tutorials. Keep your eye out on our Facebook page for those. In the meantime, happy shopping.